What if I told you that one molecule inside your body could be the key to slowing down aging? I just read about this and I thought I would share it with you every time I read about something cool, when I'm doing some research or staying up to date on the nutrition, health, and all that type of stuff. I was reading about this and I thought that I would share. It's called mTor, also known as the CEO of aging. And understanding how to control it might just help you live longer, age more gracefully, and of course, be healthier, which is what this page is all about. So what is mTor? mTor, or the mechanistic target of rapamycin, is a metabolic master switch inside your cells. It plays a huge role in cell growth, repair, and even how your body processes nutrients. When mTOR is too active, it can accelerate aging and increase disease risk. But when it's controlled properly, it helps repair and rejuvenate your cells, extending your lifespan and improving your health, ultimately leading to less free radicals and less oxidative stress. So have you heard about this concept, biological versus chronological aging? Your age isn't just about how many birthdays you've had. There's chronological age, which you can't change, and biological age, which is determined by how well your cells function and how well you take care of yourself. The good news, you can influence your biological age by managing mTOR, among other lifestyle, food and fitness, that type of stuff. So how does mTOR impact your aging? So when mTOR is activated, cells prioritize growth over repair, which sounds good in theory, but too much growth can lead to chronic diseases like obesity, cancer, and insulin resistance, which is one of the biggest reasons people find it difficult to lose weight. On the other hand, keeping mTOR low triggers autophagy, which is your body's natural recycling process that clears out damaged cells and improves longevity. This is one of the biggest reasons why intermittent fasting has gotten so popular, because fasting also boosts autophagy, which helps a lot of people lose weight and get a lot healthier. So we need to know how to lower mTOR naturally. That's the big question. So if you want to keep mTOR in check, here are some simple science-backed ways to do that. 1, reduce excessive protein intake, especially animal-based proteins, which are high in leucine. Now, I say that just because it was in the research paper that I read, but being in this business for over 20 years, helping people, I realized that most people actually don't get enough protein, and the protein that they are getting is sometimes from not so great sources. So I'm 100% for animal protein. I just wanted to mention that. Grass-fed, organic, eggs. If you're doing vegetarian, then you lentils, quinoa, that type of stuff, pea protein. I just mentioned that one, but I also realized that most people don't get enough protein. So just wanted to throw that out there. Eat healthy fats, 100% agree. Avocados, coconut oil, olive oil can help regulate energy without overactivating mTOR. And I'll also mention to avoid those polyunsaturated seed oils. Number 3, cut back on processed carbs and sugars. A lot of these are obvious, right? These spike insulin, which in turn increases that mTOR activation. Practice fasting. I already mentioned this. Intermittent fasting helps trigger that autophagy and slows down your biological aging. Just be careful, especially if you're a woman. Men respond a lot better to intermittent fasting. If you're doing it, do it in a metabolic way, and I prefer the 16-8 method, about 3 times per week max for women. Number 5, lower stress levels. Chronic stress leads to inflammation, which negatively affects mTOR regulation. Number 6, optimize that gut health. A healthy microbiome influences mTOR activity and boosts your longevity. So how about some supplements? We all like to supplement. So there are certain natural compounds that help keep mTOR levels low and support healthy aging. I have 6 of them for you. Berberine reduces cellular aging and improves blood sugar regulation. Resveratrol, you can drink that red wine now, a polyphenol that activates longevity genes. Fisetin, which supports brain health and protects against inflammation. Matcha tea, which has EGCG, a powerful mTOR inhibitor. And curcumin, which is turmeric, it fights oxidative stress and supports longevity. And finally, vitamin D3, and along with K2, which strengthens your immune system and prevents cellular deterioration. So you want to ultimately take control of your longevity because you can influence that biological age. mTOR might be the key to that, and you definitely want to try to balance it and make sure that you're doing everything you can to regulate the mTOR. Even if you have no idea what it is, you know that if you do the things in this video, that you are supporting a healthy aging. So make those simple changes in your diet, lifestyle, and supplementation routine to slow down that biological age, boost your longevity. I appreciate you watching this video. If you want to learn more about aging gracefully, I do a lot of weight loss stuff since I've written a bunch of books on different diets. Subscribe to this channel. I truly appreciate your time watching this, and let me know if you have any questions.